Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So in this video, we'll be discussing some of the openings in three prestigious company. So about the eligibility criteria, what is the package available, how to register for that, everything will be discussed in this video. So watch this video full to know about that. Before that, I would like to make a reminder on something that we present before you, a live online course on data structures and algorithms using Java. It's a live class, so you'll be getting individual attention and line by line coding and explanation will be available to you. It's a 5 days class in a week. And summer training certificate will also be available. That is, it is a certification course. So the certificate will definitely help you. So have been started by 3rd May and you can make your registration now. Either you can make a call to 8088452760 or else you can fetch out your application online study for you. The link will be there in the description box. Okay. For the first 50 registrations, the price will be 349 and there's a chance for the increase of price to 500 after that. So make your registrations at the earliest and be one among that. Okay. So that's about it. It's only regarding this courses. I mean, there are so much courses available under our course store. You can have a look at it. So that's all about the courses that we present. Now let's move on to the video that we was talking about, the recruitment. The links to apply for all the jobs will be there in the description box given below. So now let's get started with the first, which is Capgemini. So they are hiring for the accounts fresher accounts fresher. I mean, it's a fresher's job. So now moving on to the eligible criteria for this opening. The primary skills they required is understanding knowledge of P2P invoice processing, perform pre-processor electronic. Secondary skill is excellent command over English in terms of written and spoken English, basic understanding of MS Excel. Okay, so this is the primary skill. They are not specific about the graduation type or the batch. Batch details is provided like 0 to 1 years of experience. So batch details will be basically 2020, 90, 2021 upon that. Okay, now coming to the graduation type, about the qualification type, they are not specific about any type of graduation or any type of stream. They just want you to have these primary and secondary skills. Okay, so primary skill is a must and secondary skill, if yes, I mean, if you are not good at it but still you know something about that, it's fine. Okay, so primary skill is inevitable. It's I mean, full everything you should know about it. So this is about the eligible criteria in as an account fresher in Capgemini. So to apply, you can go to this apply link and you can get login to the career site. I mean, Capgemini careers. Then you can make your registration. Okay, so this is how you have to apply for that. Yes. Yes, so you have an online, I mean, the login page where you have to sign in. If it is you, if you're not registered to it before, you can create an account. Okay, after that, you can start with it. You can register, you'll have a register form. You can register with your resume and your personal details. Okay, and you can apply for the particular opening. So this is how you have to get on to Capgemini account fresher opening. Now let's move on to the other, which is Epsilon. So Epsilon is hiring for the research analyst. Now let's go for the eligible criteria. So yes, about the qualification regarding criteria, they have set as bachelor's in engineering or technology, MCA, MBA preferred. So these three are the qualification criteria they're looking forward for. Now 0 to 5 years of experience. It is an opening for freshers and entry level candidates, and experience across secondary research preferred. Okay, so this is the basic qualification they are looking forward for. And when you get into this position, you will be doing gather information across key industry clients, evaluate clients from Epsilon's go-to-market strategy and applicability, and unearth significant digital marketing opportunities, define information briefs around key clients including personal financials, marketing spend, company information to help quality opportunities for sales, identify key information relevant for sales as conversation starters with identified and qualified client opportunities. So this is basically you will be doing when you get onto this position. So if you are good at it or if you're ready to do that and these qualification criteria is met in you, you can make your registrations soon after you watch this video. Okay. So to make your registration, you can go to this I'm interested link where you'll be having a form to fill your personal details, to upload your resume and your education, previous experience, if any. Okay, after that, you can get submitted to it. So this is how you have to register for the Epsilon Research Analyst position. Now moving on to the other, which is Observe AI. So they are hiring for the front-end engineer, I mean, as a fresher. So the location is Bangalore. It's a full-time job. Now moving on to the eligible criteria. So the expectations for they have set on a candidate applying for this position will be bachelor's degree in computer science and equivalent, should have good understanding of modern JavaScript browser and performance concepts, working knowledge of HTML, CSS is required, should have understanding of build tools, that is Webpack or Parcel, good to have React, Redux, TypeScript, strong coding, data structure and algorithms, strong critical thinking skills, great communication skills, and passionate about delivering exceptional customer experience. So this is the expectations that the company have put forward for the particular opening as a front-end engineer. Now to register for that, you can go to the apply for this job link and get started with it. Okay, so you have to attach your resume, you have to fill your personal details, education details, everything, and the links, LinkedIn URL. It is very for to get starting to a career in a great company. It is very good. I mean, it's a great advantage to have a LinkedIn URL. I mean, you have to have a LinkedIn account which is updated well with all your personal details and an updated resume in it. And Twitter URL is an optional. I mean, it is not as important as LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is something very, I mean, where your kind of companies get connected, the HR group get connected. Now the GitHub URL, if you are a technical student, it is a must thing actually, I would say, to have a GitHub URL where you have to upload the codings or the things that you know. With that, they will be assessing it. Now the portfolio, you'll be knowing that you should create your personal portfolio and save it in a drive and make this link accessible to everyone and get the link here and observe where, I mean, if you have the link on that, okay, on this particular link or the particular site. Now the additional information you can, if you would like to add a cover letter or something regarding like you would like to get into this job and this is what, like that. So you can refer so much examples available across the internet regarding the cover letter, everything, and you can do with it that. So this is how you have to, for that you can submit your application, everything is done. So this is how you have to make your registration or application for 3 different companies available here. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, please let us know in the comment section. Before making a doubt or making a comment, please do watch this video full, because so much of the doubts is similar that we have already discussed in the video. So be mindful regarding that. And if you have any suggestions regarding the content that we present, like you wish to see these on this topic or something like that, you can please let us know in the comment section of any of the videos that we present before you, or you can mail to onlinestudyforyou@gmail.com, or else you can connect us in social media platforms. Telegram links will be there in the description, and Instagram also you can get connected with us. So that's about it today, until I come up with another video regarding the recruitment openings available. Thank you and have a great day. Stay safe, everyone, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.